Easy, easy. That place, they very dangerous. So it could collapse. Oh. Okay. Today is 29th of June, 2023, and the rains are already fast approaching. Bro, what we've done here today is septic tank or soakaway for our 20-bedroom hotel. So the procedures are as follow: excavation or digging, then casting or blending of the floor, then setting of the blocks. Here we are using 6 inches, that's solid. Then the next, what we did is that we first of all set it to 6 course. Then we introduce our columns or our pillars. Then we went ahead to introduce beams. This is the 6th coach now where we are doing the beams. Then before we start setting again to get to the level, before we now do the final decking beam, there you have your soakaway. So in rainy season like this, one of the major hazards is caving in of surrounding sand or surrounding earth because of the rain. Like here now, the rain has been very persistent, but with proper control and measures taken, been able to successfully carry out the procedure without collapsing and all of that. So by the time we do this now, this is going to stabilize the 6 coach. Then we can now add other costs to it depending on the ground level. But this place is very deep compared to the normal ground level that we'll be taking. So definitely we are going to be setting this place up high to get to the level whereby when we do the landscaping of the compound, it will just be concealed. It's not going to be down below, it's not going to be too high, so it's going just to be on the normal level. So the materials that we've used now, like I said, 6 inches solid, your sharp sand, your cement, your aggregate, your granite. We are using 3/4. Then the rod we used 12 mm. Then for the steel ropes we used 8 mm, just to ensure that we get quality job done. Then for the formwork, that's the carpentry work, we use your regular board 1x12 and 2x3 for the kickers and for the brazing. So in this particular building, we are having about 4 tanks or safety soakaways. So having 4 so that we'll be able to suck out all the liquid waste, that's shit water and other liquid waste coming out from the building or the effluents from the building. So on the other side, we are still having them to board the other soakaways. Then we introduce the beams. That place, see the plank come down. Now look for strong mortar, strong one. I want to take complete that place, made for level, so that that rod not dey exposed. So that was just about it. Max Innovation will give you the best and nothing but the best. You can always reach us on 081057666963 via call on WhatsApp, or you can always reach us on our Instagram page, Max Innovation, building design and construction from start to finishing. We just completed our retention wall yesterday, and I'll be doing a video for how we carried out the retention wall because of the slopiness of the area, so that the fence would not cave in. So that's the retention wall over there. So I'll be doing a video on that to give you step-by-step details of the methodology, or how we were able to achieve the retention wall. That was a very massive construction, because we needed to follow due diligence just to ensure that at the end of the day we can achieve what we want to achieve. This is a video for septic tank, but for our soakaway. But let me just show you around other things that we're doing on site. So because it's rainy season, as they are digging, we are just taking care of them so that we can backfill. This is one of the soakaways that they're still digging. Well done, sir. That they're still digging. So once they finish digging that one, we'll not wait, we'll just take care of it, so that we'll not have any issue of caving in and what have you. This is a massive project. It's an hotel, 20-bedroom hotel. So the staff quarter, the gatehouse, and all of that are still ongoing filling. So everything is just happening at the same time. But this video is just targeted at the soakaway pits, or the septic tanks. Okay. Another thing that is also very important to note, the positioning of the soakaway, so that your effluent will be properly channeled and carried to the right direction. The boarding is also taking place for this one. Same thing that they are doing there, also been done on this one. Thank you, guys. So don't forget to call us on 0+057669663. Yeah, call on WhatsApp. Well done. Yes, sir. You don't come back now. Yes, sir. Well done. All right, thank you.